Backcountry wildfires, also a major concern this time of year. Some northern Alberta communities are already battling blazes, as we mentioned, while residents in Banff are hoping to get ahead of the season to avoid the kind of disastrous fire that tore through Jasper last year. As Tyler Barrow explains, the community is upping its wildfire prevention game.
In an effort to buy time in a wildfire emergency, sprinklers have been installed around and on the Banff Mineral Springs Hospital.
Like our whole site peace of mind. Just if we had to evacuate our hospital, it's going to take time, right? So this just gives us another little bit more time.
5 sprinkler heads are permanently installed on the roof, 9 on the ground. Each one can cover a radius of 45 meters, rotating a full 360 degrees. They can drench an area in 30 minutes.
The system allows us to soak the entire site to a point of saturation. It's much harder for an ember to turn into a full fire when everything is wet.
A $20,000 grant covered the system, which will help protect the 25 long-term care residents at the Banff Mineral Springs Hospital.
Embers from an advancing wildfire are one of the biggest threats our community will face.
Martins highlights the region faces drought with a lower than normal snowpack, and that means there's an added risk of wildfire. Banff residents are on alert.
Last year with Jasper, I feel like everyone was very, very scared.
Yeah, it's definitely a major concern.
We can only hope that Parks Canada have done enough to protect our town this summer.
Other measures have been put in place to protect the area. Logging companies have demolished several pockets of forest in the Bow Valley, as emergency officials are hoping this will slow down a potential fire. And as a heat warning has been issued for southern Alberta, much of it is also under a high to very high fire danger warning.
These hot and dry conditions aren't great for the wildfire risk overall, and we're seeing this period of relatively prolonged heat, as well as thunderstorm risk.
Tyler joins us from Banff. Tyler, there are plans to install sprinklers in other public buildings in the province too.
Tara, this is the first set of sprinklers to be installed in a hospital in Alberta. Now, Covenant Health is looking at putting them on another 3 buildings in the province, one of those being in the northern Alberta municipality of Lacrete.
Okay, Tyler, thank you.